So I bought a very eBay clutch. It was flywheel, pressure plate, and clutch disc for $200. And what would make sense, it started to slip right away. It holds well enough that I could drift on it, but if I try to clutch kick, it just slips right away. So I decided to be a little dramatic, and I got an ORC twin disc 559D with the Smart Engage pressure plate. This is what comes in the box. Grease, throttle bearing, flywheel, both discs, and the little plates in between, and then the cap. They're already assembled, and then instructions in Japanese that will not be very helpful. My phone ended up dying, but we got the trans in. I did the drive shaft and tightened everything. Aligning the clutch with this Giken alignment tool made it a lot better, and I think it's kind of necessary for twin disc clutches because since there's two plates, you need to actually make sure it's perfectly aligned. Those plastic ones have a lot of slop. But we're gonna go for a first start and hear that cool ass shink. Wow. Yeah, the clutch feels good, man. So we're just gonna do 500 to some number of just easy daily driving miles and break it in. So I don't want to ruin this one prematurely because this was a lot of dollars.
Right.
So I'm probably just gonna take it to the gym, take the kid to school type stuff,
I'm gonna just take mine to the diner right away.
Oh man.
You better have Oh, he fucking stalled it. Replaga. The belt.